Fans, please join the Ottawa Senators together with the Pin Apartments in welcoming today's honorary guest from Heroes Ridge. Joignez-vous au sénateur d'Ottawa et le Pin Apartments pour accueillir l'invité d'honneur de cet après-midi à la quête des héros. Today's honored guest is Sergeant Retired Claude Theriault. Presenting him with a jersey is Sens alumni Brad Smith. Claude Theriault enrolled in the Canadian Armed Forces in August of 1970. He started as a driver, then was trained in communications, electronic engineering. As a member of the 12 RBC Signals Troop, he deployed with the United Nations Emergency Force Middle East and also served 2 tours in Germany. After serving as an instructor at the School of Communications at CFB Kingston, Claude decided to switch gears and get involved with the medical field of dentistry. Claude retired in 2004 after 34 years of service. We salute you and thank you for your service.